In this Word 2019 tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add random filler text to your document. First off, click on your document so you get a cursor. Next, type this, =LOREM, open parenthesis. Now you're going to type a number to represent how many paragraphs you want. We're just going to say 1, then type a comma. Now you type a number to represent how many sentences you want, type 3, and then close parenthesis. Click return. You'll see that you got 1 paragraph and 3 sentences. That's pretty good, but it's not very much filler text. Let's try it again. =LOREM, open parenthesis. This time we're going to do 3 paragraphs, comma, and 8 sentences, close parenthesis. Click return. You'll see that you got 3 paragraphs and 8 sentences this time. Pretty cool. Now, this is great and everything, but for me, it's completely unreadable. I don't know Latin. So you can also do this in English. Check this out. =RAND, open parenthesis, then you type a number for the number of paragraphs you want. We're going to do 1 again, comma. This time we're going to do 5 sentences, close parenthesis, click return. You'll see that's much more readable. You got 1 paragraph with 5 sentences. 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 4 sentences, and 5 sentences. Cool. Now let's do one more time, maybe 2 more times with more text. =RAND, and then open parenthesis, 3 paragraphs, comma, with 9 sentences, close parenthesis. Wow, you'll see that was a whole bunch of text that time. Pretty cool. Let's try it one more time with 5 sentences. So you do =RAND, open parenthesis, 5 paragraphs, and 5 sentences, close parenthesis. There you go. There you have it. If you found this tutorial useful or helpful, could you please give it a like? It would really help me out. And thanks for watching.